Story that's getting a lot of attention on our website. Tonight, a woman accused of waving a machete and threatening people in the parking lot of a Hardee's restaurant faced a judge today. Wilmington police arrested Jessica Johnson yesterday. She is charged with assault with a deadly weapon and going armed to the terror of people. Johnson has charges in close to a dozen other states, but those charges never had anything to do with violence, unlike Tuesday. Investigators say Johnson beat on windows of the Hardee's restaurant on Carolina Beach Road while waving a machete. A warrant says she told someone she was going to, and I'm quoting here, chop his head off. Police say they de-escalated the situation and were able to arrest her without incident. In court today, the judge gave Johnson a $25,000 bond. She was also banned from all Hardee's locations. Johnson is expected back in court on May 5th.